All right, so in today's lesson, we're going to talk about types of bank account transactions. And the most common ones you're going to see are deposits and withdrawals. So first of all, let's talk about the word deposit. Now, remember, we've seen this word before. It almost spells out the word positive. And remember, positive means that we are adding. So same thing with deposit. We are adding money to your account. Whenever you see a deposit, you're going to be adding money. You're going to also be adding if you see a paycheck, because normally you're going to put that paycheck into your account, so you're going to add money to your account. And also direct deposit. And again, it has that word deposit in it. Direct deposit is money that goes right into your account. All right, so those are all words to show that we're going to be adding. Okay, now withdrawals is the opposite. We're not going to be adding, but withdrawals we're going to be subtracting. We're going to be subtracting money. You could also, you're going to do withdrawal if you're going to pay bills. Pay bills in general, or you could pay bills online. If you use your debit card, you're going to be doing a withdrawal. If you get cash out of an ATM, you're going to be getting a withdrawal. Or if you write a check, that is going to be a withdrawal as well. So, whenever we see things like paychecks, direct deposits, we're going to add. And withdrawals, which means like we're paying bills or we're using our debit card or we're writing the check, we're going to subtract. All right, so now let's look at this part of our notes. So an account balance is the amount of money you have in your bank account. So let's go ahead and look at these three examples, and we're going to practice just deposit and withdrawal. Okay, so it says Anna has $245.15 in her bank account. She deposits, remember what we said up above, the word deposit means we're going to add her paycheck of $798.27. What is her new balance? So I'm going to start with Anna's initial balance, which is $245.15. And because I see the word deposits her paycheck, I'm going to put an add. And I'm going to add the amount of her paycheck, which is $798.27. And when I add it all up, I get $1,043.42. So, Anna's balance of her account is $1,043.42. And remember, the word deposit told me I was going to add. And also it says deposit her paycheck. All right, let's go ahead and let's look at the next one now. It says William's account balance is $975.98. So I'm going to go ahead and write that out to the side, $975.98. And it says he pays his electricity bill. Pays means that we're going to subtract. So I'm going to put a little subtraction note out to the side. He's paying a bill. So his bill is $102.11. So I need to subtract these two amounts, his starting amount and subtract the amount of his bill to get his new balance. And when I subtract $975.98 minus $211, I get $873.87 as William's new balance. Pretty simple so far? All right. Now, let's go ahead and let's do the last one. It says Kalina has an account balance of $426.53. If she writes a check, that right there, writing a check, I know I'm going to be subtracting. I'm going to write subtract as a little note for me. For $15 of her new choir shirt, what is her new balance? Now, I'm going to go ahead and take her starting amount, which is $426.53. And I'm going to subtract $15. Now, remember, whenever we subtract, we have to line up those decimals. So I have to write it as $15, not 15 cents. Remember, we want our decimals to be lined up. And when I subtract $426.53 minus 15, we get $411.53.